Whoa, I guess I get to pick what fidget I get to start with. All of these are very good. Oh gee, that's such a cute octopus. I really want this. Well, I guess I'm gonna have it. Wait, why is everything dark? Cannot see. Whoa! Oh, that was weird. I wonder what it does. Oh, I guess this is a teleport. And if I move this, I'm happy. And if I do it this way, I'm mad. Wow, it actually changed my emotions. What if I pop here? Whoa! I guess it takes me to the door. Oh wait, does that take me back? To this door. Okay. Think about excuse me, miss. How can I buy all of these? Well, you could rather buy it for your credit card if you have one, or you could get that free pop-it over there. Okay, thank you, miss. Oh wait, the credit card. It's right here. It's a butterfly. I need a bag to hold all of my stuff. Let me just put it on. I'm gonna keep this in handy. Credit card. Excuse me, miss. I'm here to buy some stuff. Okay, what would you like to buy? I'll just be in that corner if you need anything. Okay, thank you, miss. I really want this, and just pop it, and this simple dipple really pops good. I would say so the normal one. Okay, let's get out my credit card. Yes, I would like to pay. Okay, scatter right there. Right here. Yeah, okay. Beep. Okay, I was getting stuff. Thanks. Wow. Wow, a lot of fidgets today. I think I might go fidget trading. Let's see all of these. Whoa, look at those two people. It looks like they have some stuff. I'm gonna trade with that person with that dimple. Excuse me, can I trade you that? Can I offer for your dimple? Yeah, sure. Here you go. Pop is very good. Guys, I really love all of these fidgets. I don't want to scare, so I really love this. love all. What solution? This is my starting one. Now you got to spell. I'll offer you the simple dimple. Accept. Yay! A dimple. I should trade this. I might get a good offer. Trade dimple. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Oh, me. Me reduce. Trade you off. This puppet handbag and all my rest of my fidgets. That's my dream puppet. And yeah, sure, here you go. OJ tank. Now we just my fidget. My fidget keeps falling. Guess that's enough for fidget trading. Back for part 4.